Hey there guys, Alex here from SPP. In this quick video today, I'll be walking you through everything you need to know about setting up a form that allows your clients to purchase services in different currencies as well as different billing periods. Let's get into it. Alright, so now that we're logged into our dashboard, let's just say that you would like to sell your services in multiple different currencies, and you'd also like to allow your clients to select different billing periods and give them discounts accordingly. To do this, you would want to first set up your services and then add them to an order form, and then we can set up some rules to make them show up exactly how you want them to. So to begin with, we'll go into our services and really quickly create a folder where we would set up these services. Alright, so as you can see over here, we've set up different services in USD and Euros, and we've also set up the basic plan here to have a monthly version as well as a quarterly version in both USD and Euros, and the same goes with the premium versions over here, where we have again monthly and quarterly versions of the Euro as well as the USD variant. Setting these services up is actually quite simple. What you would do is you would set up one service, let's say this content writing basic monthly in USD, you'd set it up and then you'd go in and click duplicate, and then you would go to the duplicate and change that to the quarterly version or change it to the Euro version and set them up accordingly. This whole process should take you a few minutes at most because it's very easy to do. Once you're done setting up all of these services, what you're going to do is you're going to create an order form. So we would go into order forms, add a form, and then basically you'd end up with a form like this, similar to this one. The way you would want to set it up is you would be setting up a different services field for every set of services. For example, you're going to have a USD monthly field over here, as well as USD quarterly, a Euro monthly, and a Euro quarterly, as you can see over here. So once you've added a field for every type of variant you have available, we're going to be adding some rules into this form to make it very intuitive for your clients to make a purchase according to what they need. As you can see over here, we've added two drop-downs, one asking what kind of currency the client would like, and the other one is asking if they would like quarterly billing or not. I'm not going to be walking you through every single one of the rules because that would make this video very long, but I will show you every single rule that we have set up over here so it could help you set up your rules similarly. So basically what we have over here is we have different conditions that display different versions of the fields that we have added based on what selection is made from these two drop-downs. So if we have a look over here really quickly, it says if the currency is not USD, then we would hide all of the USD fields that are available in the previous form. As you can see over here, if the currency is not Euro, then we would hide all of the Euro-based fields in the form. Also here we have a multi-condition rule that allows us to display the right services based on what kind of billing the client wants to purchase. So here, if the client selects USD and also says quarterly billing is no, then we hide USD quarterly. While here we have another rule where if they select the currency as USD and also select quarterly billing as yes, then we hide the monthly version, showing them only the quarterly field. And basically the rest of the rules are very similar variants to this, where it shows different fields based on the client's selection. And as you can see, I'm going through them so you could pause to recreate something very similar, or basically get an idea of how the rules are set up on our form. Once you're done setting these up, it's as simple as checking out the form now. If we go into the form over here, as you can see, we have only one set of services available. Here we have the USD monthly for the basic as well as the premium versions. If we go ahead and change this to Euros, you're going to see that these services are immediately going to swap to their Euro versions. If we go into quarterly billing yes, we get the quarterly versions of these services, and if we switch back to USD, it's the same thing but in USD. So this was basically a quick video where I just wanted to show you guys how you could set this up on your own in case you wanted to offer these options to your clients. Hopefully this video was helpful to you, and if you have any questions, of course, you could leave a comment or reach out to us via our support email, support@spp.co. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys have an awesome day.